This conference will now be recorded.
Right. See, in the last class, we just started about actions class, right? So now we'll continue the same topic. Just a second.
This conference will now be recorded.
See, suppose if you want to open the application with the first option, like new tab. So after right click, there is a first option called open the application in new tab. If you want to perform it, okay. So since it is a first option, so just use arrow down. Single is enough. It's not required. The another one. So right now what we did is move open the application in new window. So that's why new window is the second one. So I need to move 2 times and then press enter. Okay. Let me delete it. Right click, run as Java application. Open link in new tab. You see, but the problem with the option is in Selenium 2.x, if I try to open in the new tab means it is allowed to open the application in the new tab. But the Selenium 3.x onwards, this opening the application in the new tab, that is not allowing. Okay. Right. So this is a way you need to handle the right click operation.
I have a doubt.
Sorry.
No, I have a doubt. It should close that pop-up, right? Once it is open the Telugu link, it should close that pop-up, right? But it's still showing that pop-up
Where's
like open in the new window, open in the new tab. Those things it should close, right? I mean, it should not display after showing the Telugu link, right? I'm able to see that.
where?
No,
How come?
when you go to the when the program runs and when it clicks on the Telugu link, it shows that
Right.
pop-up window saying that open in the new window, open in the new tab, and open the other options, right? So if once the program run and it shows the Telugu page, it should not display those pop-ups, right? Though
Wait a minute. It's not. So it's working at the right. Just a second.
I may
Right click. One second. Java application. See. Now see. This is the application.
this is a Google, and now it goes and click on the Telugu one.
Right. Telugu link. Okay.
See now these open link in new window, new tab, open link in save linkers, all this we are able to see, right? So why is it not closing? I mean, it should not display when you real time when you click on Telugu page. These pop-ups will not be displayed once page opened, right?
That is right. So the internally that is how they are implemented. So after right click on that, and yeah, your question is valid. But internally, that is how they implemented. It is not a pop-up, madam. It's just
I mean,
option dialog.
yeah, option dialog. So it should not be displayed.
After right click, see it is trying to click on Telugu link, right?
So now why that dialog is open still? I mean, real.
So that is internal implementation. Let us check with what is that? Firefox.
Okay.
So for each and every browser, sometimes internally they're implementing in different way. Right? Yes. Right click, run as Java application. So that's it. For the Firefox, it is showing like this. So our goal is whether the action is happening or not. So if it is still showing like even that is a problem with the like even Selenium WebDriver, whoever is implemented that. See, if something is not happening, then immediately you will get the exception. So after clicking on that, after clicking on the Telugu link, it performed the action, but still it is showing like kind of like a dialog. That is your doubt, right?
Yeah.
Now, but in Firefox WebDriver, it is not showing like this. So that is implementation of the API, which is provided by Selenium peoples. Try to open the application in the NAS Java application. See, so that is our internal architecture of that WebDriver, because uh, whoever is implemented that right click operation, so that too in the especially uh, for the right click, that means context click, so they implemented like this. See, in the old version of the Selenium, in the old version of Selenium, that means the Selenium standalone server, that old version, in the 2.x version, this it is able to show the context click operation in the tab also. If I try to use in the latest version, now everything is supported with window only. There is no concept of tab under. So actually we are trying to work with tab. So according to the requirement, it's supposed to be shown in the new tab, but right now it is not showing. Why? Because that action is that opening the application in the window, it is a supporting by default. Tab section is not supporting. Actually, it should be supported as a new tab. New tab means what? There is one page is there. After clicking on the something, it should come as it should come as extension of the application. But instead of showing that, everything it is displaying in the single page. Okay. So that means that a tab action is suppressed. So that's why you are not getting any. That's why you are not getting any exception. Actually, internally it is working, but that showing the option in the tab, that action is not. What is that? It is not displaying here. Everything it is showing as window wall. From 3.x, they changed the actions concept like this. Yeah. Any doubts?
No.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. 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 Shuvidya.
Yeah. No. Carry on.